Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to order clothes from Pinterest. Let's get started. You can't buy directly from Pinterest, but there's a simple workaround. Here's how it works. Open Pinterest and search for what you're looking for, like aesthetic hoodie or summer outfit. When you hover over or tap a pin, check for the Visit Site button. If it's there, that means the product is linked to a real store. You can order it. If there's no Visit Site button, you may need to search for the product manually or use a reverse image search. Then tap Visit Site and Pinterest will redirect you to the store like Amazon, Shein, or Etsy or Shopee or another site. From there, you can buy the product as usual. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.